Hey everybody, welcome to my home machine shop. My name's Howard. So I made a couple things for the little lathe. Made a little lever knob for the lock on the carriage. There we go. Out of aluminum. That started out a round piece of aluminum, 1-inch round piece of aluminum. And it sits right on top of that lock bolt so that I don't have to grab a wrench every time I want to lock it down. So let's put it on there, see how it works. Little teeny tiny screws. I'm sure there's like 10 other ways I could have done this, but you know me, I did it this way. Works. Now, right where the screws, the little screws hit the head of the bolt, I took a small drill and just drilled a little dimple into it so the screws would catch real good, so it wouldn't wiggle off this way. I mean, that's a lot better than grabbing this every time. Now I can put my wrench back in my toolbox where it goes. Okay, and then I also made this, and it looks pretty good on there too, don't it? Nice shiny, a little bit of glare probably. Nice shiny aluminum. Locks, unlocks, locks, unlocks. That's all it's got to do. That's it. And then I made this backsplash for it, just out of some aluminum. Cut it, put a brake on the back of it, and then bolt it to this metal frame. I know some guys don't like them, but I like a neat shop. I don't like a real mess everywhere on the walls and everything. This is a hobby shop, not a production shop. So all I got to do that is I'm going to paint it black. And probably paint this black, this bench here, paint it black, and that orange bracket back there I'm going to paint it black. We got too many colors going on here. The lathe, I'm not even going to bother painting it. It's not that bad. If I do any painting, it'll be on this. I'm going to make or buy a knob for this. Try to find a badge. That's it. I'm not going to get too carried away with it. Just make it to where it looks good and works good. It works pretty good, I'd say. All right. Alright guys, that's it. I like my little lock handle, it's kind of cool. And my wife put her seal of approval on it, so I'm good. Like the backsplash, that's going to keep the stuff off the walls. Okay, I'll see you next time. Thanks for subscribing. Hit that like button. We'll see you later.